Hello, dear students. Class 12, computer science sample papers. I'm just showing you. First, solved sample paper I'll show you. And now, next, I will share 12 practice set papers in CBSE 12th board, computer science MCQ. So, first section, 25 questions, attempt any 20 on this basis will be here. So first is find the valid identifier from the following. So underscore we can also put global is the keyword, dot where is a different form, and new string is not valid. So only valid identifier is first. Now question number 2, L. We have to create a list, Haskell, Java and Python. So list hash of the dot join L. So hash is the string and that join L. So which of the following represent the data type of X? So यहाँ पर डाटा टाइप किस तरह का होगा? तो ये जो हैश ये किस तरह का होगा? स्ट्रिंग टाइप का होगा. Now table where spoon. So this is a dictionary. Table where name of the dictionary spoon 400, forks 300, news 250 and plates 200. So which of the following statement will output 400, 300, 250 and 200? यानी कि कौन सा what will be the output of this form 400, 300? So we want to see the values. So dictionary dot values. So answer is that print tuple tableware dot items. Okay, so this is the method of dictionary, but you want to see the output of form of the tuple. So you have to print tuple tableware dot items. Items the keyword. You have to see the value in the tuple form. Now either if examiner will not ask this question, which of the following state output, अगर output नहीं आता है, तो you have to write print tuple tableware dot values is the right answer. So right answer in this question B. So now which of the following statement is not true? Write method is used to write a string to text file. ये सही है. Okay, write method start writing from the end of the text file. ये wrong है क्योंकि कभी भी जो write method end of the text file से शुरू नहीं करता. यानी कि ऐसा नहीं है कि क्योंकि write mode में start कभी भी एंड ऑफ द फाइल से नहीं होगा. जहां पे फाइल खत्म होती है ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. राइट मेथड रिटर्न द नंबर ऑफ करेक्टर, ये सही है. राइट मेथड ओवरराइड द कंटेंट ऑफ द टेक्स्ट फाइल. सो दिस इज द नॉट ट्रू. राइट मेथड स्टार्ट राइटिंग फ्रॉम द एंड ऑफ द टेक्स्ट फाइल, क्योंकि जब हम राइट मेथड से फाइल बनाते हैं व्हेन वी स्टार्ट द फाइल इन राइट मोड, सो ऑटोमेटिकली क्रिएटेड अ फाइल एंड स्टार्टिंग writing on the start. Okay, so now next question. To read the binary file names.bin, which of the following will be the correct code? So object file equals to open names.bin read binary pickle.load object file is the right answer of C. Which of these will n bytes from a text file? So this is the option B, read n. Mr. Bakshi stored important notes in a text file, records the text in the private folder in D drive. Identify the correct option out of the following option to open the file in a read mode. So read mode में file open करने के लिए एक तो command होता है D private record.txt. Okay, so ये पूछ रहा है option to the file in read mode D drive. So D drive हम दे रहे हैं प्राइवेट फोल्डर है और रिकॉर्ड फाइल है. ये भी रीड मोड है बट यहां पर डी ड्राइव मेंशन नहीं है. सो बी एंड सी इज द राइट आंसर. नाउ द इनपुट फंक्शन रिटर्न इनपुट फंक्शन ऑलवेज रिटर्न स्ट्रिंग. Which of the following operator will always output an integer even if the operand are floating point number? So these are asking कि always output an integer even if the operand are floating points. So this is the floor division operator. Always provide the integer value. Now what will the following statement output? New एक empty list है. Now new list plus free, print new list into 3. So what will be the output? List 3. तो 3 बार लिस्ट आ जाएगा, बिकॉज न्यू लिस्ट एक स्ट्रिंग है और स्टार क्या है, एक रेप्लिकेटर का काम करेगा, तो 3 को 3 बार प्रिंट करेगा. नाउ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स? Second option, you can see that in binary files there is end of file characters. So binary file में कहीं भी end of file characters store नहीं होता है. Now question number 12, which of the following method return the current file pointer location? Current file pointer location tail option बताता है, और जबकि seek जो बताता है index position बताता है. Now the pickle module implement serializing a Python object structure through both A and B, pickling and pickle.dump, both the options provide the serialization. Now, which of the following statement are not true? Seek changes the file position is offset. Yes. Seek function will negative offset only works in file open. Not true. Seek function with negative offset also works when file is open in text mode. This is wrong. If file is open in text mode, it will not consider. Dear students, learners, first जो paper है, practice paper, I will provide with answer. Second paper, second test paper, I will provide without answer, and we will solve the questions. Then you can answer just those. Okay. Now question number 15. Which of the following are not true? So B, statement within a function are not executed when the function is called. यानी कि जब तक स्टेटमेंट फंक्शन नॉट एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा, फंक्शन को कॉल नहीं किया जा सकता. व्हाट विल द फॉलोइंग कोड आउटपुट? डिफाइन अ फंक्शन, प्रिंसिपल 10, रीड 8 एंड टाइम 2, तो रिटर्न ptr. तो आउटपुट विल बी दिस. सो आउटपुट विल बी 13. हाउ? जस्ट एड दिस 10, 18 and 2 and 8, 3. So प्रिंसिपल क्या होगा? जब रिटर्न ptr कर रहा है तो दिस इज द रेट इन टाइम. So 10 is the principal and 3 in we are doing extra. No formula will be there. So write over here 13 answer. 8 plus 10, 30. Okay, a return statement which is followed by no expressions, also called a voice function, will return. So none function, none keyword always return, no expression. The default delimiter in a comma, so dot comma, CSV stand for, we can call it comma separated value, or comma is the default operator of CSV file. Question number 19, which of the following is correct way to create a CSV file records.csv and write as it? So these are asking ki how, what is the correct way to create a CSV file records. So B is the right answer. My file open records.csv, write mode, new line and space blank. Now next, 20, question number 20, the most common import and export format for tabular data from spreadsheet in Python is using. So CSV file we are using as a spreadsheet in Python. This method is question number next 21. This method in CSV module return an object that convert data into a delimited string and store it in a file object. So writer is the create the file object and store the value. Okay, now 22nd. After writing a Python program to read a binary file, Bhuvi wants to save her file. Which is the correct option for her? So bin is not the extension of Python. Exe is not. Date is the file handling for binary. But reading.py is the Python program extension. So we can read out of correct option for this. So answer is the B. Which of the following statement is false? So comment can be used to explain Python code. Wrong. Comments can be used to make the code more readable. Wrong. comments in Python begin with the symbol of, yes, right. But we are asking false vector कि what is the false comment can be used to explain Python code? Yes, I am sorry. किसी भी कोड को या किसी भी प्रोग्राम को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए कमेंट बहुत ही सुटेबल है, और किसी भी कोड को एलाबोरेट या अच्छे फॉर्म में देने के लिए भी कमेंट ठीक होता है, बट कमेंट प्रिवेंट एरर्स इन पाइथन कोड। तो ये एक गलत तथ्य है कि कमेंट एरर्स को रोकता है, बिकॉज कमेंट इज अ डिसेबल ऑफ कोड, ओनली जस्ट शो द मैसेज and your informations. Okay, 24 once has to write data from a dictionary dict1 to a binary file. तो वंश एक डिक्शनरी क्रिएट कर रहा है dict1 के नाम से, binary file new record.pickle, which of the following code will work from him? So answer is the B, with open new record.pickle, write binary mode as file object pickle.dump dictionary1 and file object. So B is the right answer. Now dictionary क्या है? Have all the properties given in A and B and C. तो all are a kind of data structure है, unsorted of data है, consist key on value pairs है, and key separated from its value by a colon. All the option is right. So D is the right answer. Now section B, question number 26. Tuple 1 6 5 23. Which of the following statement will give an error? So इनमें से कौन सी स्टेटमेंट एरर देगी? तो tuple 125. Okay, so this is tuple is immutable and 25 it knows there. So first one is wrong. Second one, tuple 1 into 2, it is right. And third one, tuple, we can merge tuple xyz is to tuple 1. Yes, we can analyze. So only one is the wrong, give the errors, because tuple is a immutable type, so we cannot update the value. Now given the text file of binary, so matplotlib is a numerical plotting library. So ये एक स्टोरी समझ लीजिए या कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन है जो कि एक टेक्स्ट फाइल में कोड टेक्स्ट फाइल बनी हुई है. सो व्हाट विल बी द आउटपुट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कोड? सो यानी कि इस फाइल को हमें एक्सेस करना है यहाँ पे. सो वी हैव टू एक्सेस ऑफ दिस फाइल. सो दिस इज द कोड. ऑब्जेक्ट इक्वल्स टू ओपन लाइब्रेरी डॉट टेक्स्ट, x is equals to object dot readlines, print length of x, and file handle dot close, यानी object dot close. So 1 2 3 4 कितनी लाइन्स है? 4 लाइन्स. So answer is the B. Now question number 28. Identify the output of the following Python statement. यानी कि इस स्टेटमेंट का मेन टर्म क्या है? सपोज x की वैल्यू है 12 15 17 and 19 13 and 11, and y is equals to क्या है? x2 of 1. So this block is consists of 0 0 and 1, and this block consists of 1, and this block consists 2. So 2 0 1. So answer is the 13. So second के second position पे 1 position पे क्या है? By default always start 0 1 2. So 0 is the 19 and 1 is the 13. So second is 1 2 and 3. So second number index, first index. So second of 1. So second of 0 and 1. So 13 is the right answer. Now identify the output of the following Python statement. Sum is equals to 0, x is equals to 3, while x less than is equals to 10. So sum is equals to sum of x. So x is equals to x plus 2. Print sum. So what will be the output? So if we compare something, x is less than 10. Yes, sum of x. So x में कितना गया? 3. 3 प्लस, तो फर्स्ट टाइम सम में कितना गया? 3. फिर दोबारा चला, yes, less than 10. So it will be repeatable move whenever the condition false. जब तक condition true है, give the loop will be going on, and after condition is false, it will be show the output of 24. Now identify the output of the following Python statement. For x in a range 1 of 10, यानी कि 4 की जो loop है, ये start part है. This is the start part 1 and 10 is the ending part. So loop will be continue 1 to 9. If x mod 3 double equals to 0 or x mod 5 double equals to 0, so print of x and end delimiter. So what will be the answer? Okay, so loop will be going on. Answer will be convert this 3 5, 6, 9, and 10. Okay, so sorry, not 10. Tail will not here. 3, 5, 6, 9. 3, 5, 6, and 9. After that, out. क्योंकि 3 की टेबल 3 टाइम्स मूव करेगी, ओनली 5 की 1 टाइम्स करेगी. सो आंसर इज 3, 5, 6, 9, C. Now identify the output of the following Python statement. Import static. This is the list. 10, 25, 35, 40, 50, 60. So one list consists of two lists. So one list consists of two tuple. So for tuple in a list, print static dot mean tuple end of the element. So that what will be the mean of this and this? 40, 60, 100, 150. So this will provide mean of divided by 3, 50, and 16, then 70. So 70 divided by 3, 23. Okay, so 23 and 50. So nearest value is 25, 50. C is the right answer. Okay, so today is the last question I will share you. 32. Kaveri wants to write a string to a binary file using the code below. So import pickle string 1 writing to a binary file. We have to import a pickle file because pickle file we are using to write the binary data and see this. So string 1 is the writing to a binary file with open binary file mode, write plus binary mode as a B file. So pickle dot dump blank statement 1 B file dot flush. So B file and string both are the keyword. This is the variable string 1 and B file is the our object. So what will be the dump? So dump will be there, both of these string 1 and B file. Then output is C. Okay. So now 33 and next part will do next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. I'm trying to my best. Next practice set it will be much better. After we'll do all this set solve set. I will show you different type of sets with just like that. Without answers, I will share you and will solve out of this. Okay, and then we'll start practice set without any answer. We'll try our best and we'll see the answer. Okay, so till now, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.